Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the bank. In this first Abu Dhabi Bank, FAB, UAE bank review, I'll provide a comprehensive look at my experience using their services. FAB is a leading financial institution in the UAE, offering a diverse suite of banking products designed for both individuals and businesses. Whether your needs involve personal banking, credit cards, loans, or investment opportunities, FAB likely has a solution for you. The bank is recognized for its cutting-edge digital banking platform, making it an excellent option for tech-savvy customers who prefer to manage their finances online or through the mobile app. The app itself is user-friendly and allows you to easily monitor account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even access various loan services with just a few taps. FAB's personal banking features cater to a broad range of customers, including expats, UAE nationals, and residents. Their services are designed to streamline banking, featuring perks like zero-fee accounts, competitive interest rates on savings accounts, and personalized financial planning assistance. They also offer a selection of premium services tailored to high-net-worth individuals, such as wealth management and exclusive credit cards. I was particularly impressed with their 24/7 customer support, readily available via phone or in-app chat. Another notable advantage is FAB's extensive network of ATMs and physical branches, providing convenient access to your funds and in-person assistance when needed. For businesses, FAB offers customized solutions for SMEs, corporations, and entrepreneurs, including comprehensive financing and cash management options. To summarize, FAB stands out as a dependable and technologically advanced bank, offering a complete range of services for both individuals and businesses. Whether you require everyday banking services, loans, or wealth management, First Abu Dhabi Bank delivers a full suite of solutions. If you're considering a bank in the UAE, FAB is definitely worth exploring.